Good day mga kabahay, we are in Kathleen Place 4 in Novaliches, Quezon City. We're located around 850 meters lang from SM Novaliches and 2.7 kilometers from Mindanao corner Quirino Avenue, where the Metro Manila subway is being constructed. There are two corner units dito sa Kathleen Place 4 na available and papakita namin sa inyo yan on this video. So halika, tripping tayo. This is Kathleen Place 4, an 8.6 hectare project offering 742 modern townhouse units. This is a family-friendly community that comes with 24-hour security and complete amenities. For more info about Kathleen Place 4, we have a playlist in our YouTube channel. Okay, check natin yung units. This is Block 16 Lot 1. It's a corner unit that comes with 100 square meter floor on a 154 square meter lot. Unit is located at the corner of Burberry Street and Versace Street. Social, di ba? And is facing the amenities area, so wala rin siya kaharap. Halika, let's check the unit. Okay, let's check Block 16 Lot 1. As you can see, turnover already comes with the steel gate. Upon entry, you'll see your covered carport, which is big enough to fit any type of vehicle, kahit SUV pa yung sasakyan mo. Beside it is the extra lot. Considering na 60 square meters lang yung footprint ng bahay na to, you still have around 94 square meters of free space that you can use for extra carports or space if you need to expand your property in the future. For example, you need an extra room sa baba or expansion ng kitchen or even balcony on the second floor. Okay, pasok tayo sa unit. Upon entry, ito yung makikita mo. Property comes with homogeneous granite tiles and mataas din yung ceiling niya. On your right will be your living area, which is big enough kahit malaking sofa pa yung ilagay mo. Tapos lakad ka lang ng konti, nandito na yung dining area which can fit a 6-seater dining table. Beside the dining area is the kitchen that comes with granite countertop, modular cabinet sa baba, and hanging cabinet sa taas. Over here is a sliding door going to your service area. Nandito rin yung CR sa ground floor. Kita mo naman, bagong-bago pa yung tiles which is from floor to ceiling. Tapos complete fixtures na rin siya. Okay, let's check the extra space one more time. Laki, di ba? By the way, medyo madumi pa yung unit, but upon turnover, lilinisin nila yan and they will do the final finishing. Okay, let's check the second floor. The stairs comes with steel railings and the flooring is covered by ceramic tiles na laser cut. The flooring sa second floor are ceramic tiles din na wood finish para cozy yung feeling ng bahay. This is the master's bedroom. Diretso tayo dun sa balcony. Since end unit to, paakap yung balcony niya. And since it's facing the amenities, yung view mo from the balcony is yung basketball court. Kita mo rin dito yung Versace Street, which is a 12-meter wide main road ng community. Yung master's bedroom nga pala comes with complete finishes including a big modular cabinet. Okay, check natin yung other rooms. But before that, check muna natin yung toilet and bath sa second floor. Floor to ceiling din yung tiles niya, complete fixtures, and big enough to fit a bathtub pag gusto mo maglagay sa future. Okay, these are the last two bedrooms. Pareho lang sila ng size. Both comes with modular cabinets, sliding windows, and provision for window-type aircon. Okay, one last look at Block 16 Lot 1. Okay, now let's check the second unit. This is Block 2 Lot 1. It's also a corner unit that comes with 104 square meter floor on a 133 square meter lot. Unit is right beside the gate along the main road and is facing the amenities area. It's also a corner unit like the first one. Hindi ko napapakita loob kasi upon completion, pareho lang naman sila na finishes. Ang maganda dito is it's morning sun. And in terms of location, katabi siya ng gate. Ayun. So parang may private guard ka na. And malapit lang din sa clubhouse over there. So sa area na to, nandito ang ating multipurpose hall. Nandito ang kiddie and adult swimming pool natin. Pati yung basketball court, nandito lang sa area na to. So if you want to be near the amenities, this is a really good unit also. And along the main road siya, it's a 12-meter wide road and wala kang kaharap dun sa bahay mo. So ano ba yung mga hinahanap ng mga buyer natin? Near the gate, near the amenities, along the main road and morning sun. And corner unit, pasok lahat. Okay, one last look at Block 2 Lot 1. If you think this property is for you, just give us a call sa number below. You could also reach us through any of our social media accounts. Again, this is your host, Roldan Binuya, in behalf of Bahay Central. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.